This is a Toshiba indoor AC unit, cooling capacity of 5.6 kilowatts and heating capacity of 6.3 kilowatts. It's a very powerful machine for maintaining for conditioning your air inside a room. So you can see the copper pipes with an Amaflex. Of course, they do branch from a main supply coming from the outdoor unit. Then you have that PVC pipe connection for taking away any condensed water which would otherwise make the environment around or within the room unconducive. So it has to be taken outside the room via that pipe. Yeah, that's HVAC.